This tutorial will illustrate how to set up a model for a response spectrum analysis. We will start with a simple two-story, two-bay planar model. And under the modal case, we will request two modes. Next, we will define the response spectrum to be used. We have many to choose from, and in this case, we will use an IBC 2009 curve. We will give the function the name IBC 09RS. For this response spectrum, the parameters can be user-defined or determined automatically by the program based on either latitude, longitude, or by zip code. For this example, we will enter our home office zip code of 94704. The program determines the values based on USGS data. We will adjust the site class to C, which is for very dense soil and soft rock. Points for the curve are displayed here. Acceleration is in G units. We can move the cursor over the graph to obtain the coordinates at any point. Next, we define a load case to include the response spectrum analysis. We will call the new case RS. And we'll select response spectrum as the type. We have a number of ways that we may combine the modes for a given direction, including CQC, square root sum of the squares, absolute sum, and others. But we will use the complete quadratic combination here. If we were applying excitation in more than one direction, we could combine the directional responses using either square root sum of the square, CQC3, or absolute. And the analysis will use modes defined by the modal case. The response spectrum will be applied as an acceleration in the U1 direction using the previously defined curve, but we need to apply a scale factor to convert from G units to inch units. Double-clicking while holding the Shift key brings up the calculator box. For the damping, we have a number of options, but we'll use the default 5% constant damping. Now we are ready to run the analysis. We will restrict the model to planar behavior. And will run both the modal and response spectrum cases. We can show the base reactions by going to the Display, Show Forces, Joints command. We can view the deformed shape for the response spectrum case as well. We can also view the output in tabular form. Again, we will use displacements. Here, we will ask for output for just the response spectrum case. Note that all values are positive. This is due to how modal results are combined. This concludes this tutorial on response spectrum analysis.